Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Alexandros and Andrea, once again from the Island of Cyprus. If you watch with the music and you want to learn it, this is the video. We're going to be doing it without the music, counting and explaining a few tricks. If you just want to see it to music, I'm going to have a link here in the info cards and in the description. So let's get started with the lesson, because this might be an intermediate, but it's a long one. Let's go. Basic first. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now guys, just do a basic right turn, but first lift your right and your left hand to do an X shape. 1, 2, 3. It just makes it look quite cool. And then 5, prepare the lady. 6, 7, bring her back. And you've noticed I have it, a hook around her neck. I'm going to remove that. 1, 2, 3, and turn all the way here. Step her on 5 forward. 6, 7, turn the lady around. Okay, so this is not very difficult. The next part, it doesn't show that well on the video, so I'll turn the angle to 1, 2, switch the hands, and then 5, 6, 7, you're wearing the right hand on top of the lady. 5, 6, 7. Then on 1, 2, 3, so I'm turning to see what's happening behind. 1, 2, and switch by 3. Let's do that one more time. We have 1, 2, switch by 3. So if we were in this direction, maybe you don't see it so well. 1, 2, 3. You're going to help with the right, so the lady starts turning. Let it go straight away. Continue with your left and bring her back. Now you're in the same direction. Push her back on 1, 2, 3. In the braccio. 5, 6, 7. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Push the lady in for preparation. And 5, 6, 7. Bring her in front of you. Okay, you can rewind the video because this is a long one. I don't want to repeat again and again. I'm just going slow the whole thing. And again, you can watch it to music. In the description is the link so you can see it faster. Here we're doing a 1, 2, the right turn. Lower your right hand, guys. Start turning 5, 6, 7 towards the left and let the hand slide here. Now the lady has a little footwork here. She goes back on 1, 2, cross, and cross, 6, 7. Step forward on 1, kick out on 2, grab on 3, and then climb off by showing the hip. 5, 6, 7. The lady goes back again. Guys, you can shake the knees while she's doing a double turn or do a body wave. Now we have a cross body lead for the lady, keeping the left hand up. 5, 6, and 7. Throw the hands behind. You must not be late for this one. You're going to push her strongly on 1 to open up 1. Hand, the right slides on the belly, and the left hand comes over. So she has a progressional turn that's easy for her, a little bit hard for us, I know. Then we continue hand over. 1, 2, 3. Change to the left. 5, reverse copa. 6, 7, and this is a reverse crossbody lead with a half a turn. Then 1, 2, 3, ask for the hand on the other side. You can give a single or a double. It depends from your lady and her level. Then we're going to finish it off by going 1, 2, 3. And here we're pushing her around. 5, 6, 7. I hope you got that one. Rewind that and do it. It's quite fun. The lady doesn't know she's going to turn there. And we're finishing off by a cross body lead again. Hook the lady's hand here. Let it go at the end. 5, 6 body positions. You have a very nice control here so she doesn't go back on 1, and you push her forward to go 1, 2, 3, and on 5 you twist the lady towards your right and then untwist her out on 6 and 7. Then we can go nice cross body lead, and like I sometimes like to do, lift the leg up and give the lady a double turn. The trick to that one is keep it a little bit there even after you change. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you comment and rate, and don't forget to subscribe because I'm going to be putting a lot of new moves almost every week. See you on the next one.